I will explain how to enter information on the business meeting website. First, I will share my screen. The exhibitor manual website is now displayed on the screen. The Secretariat has informed exhibitors about this manual site and has also sent the ID and password needed to log in when entering information. Some companies may still be receiving that information in stages. Also, if any exhibitors have not received the email because it may have been blocked by security settings, or if they cannot find it even after searching, please contact us. This manual contains information on preparations in advance. There is a menu on the left side of this screen. Various preparations for exhibiting are all written in this manual, so please read through it. Today, I will explain items 4 and 5. How to post company information on the business meeting site and how to use advanced business matching. If you look here, there is a website user manual. You can refer to this manual, but explaining every detail today would take a long time. So I will explain the overall flow, key points, and important notes. When you actually do the work, please refer to this manual. First, this is the work required to post information on the matching site for the Hanoi venue. There is already exhibitor information posted, and this is the process for posting that information. To enter the information, you will use this EMIDAS website. First, I will explain how to enter information into EMIDAS. After that, I will explain how to use the matching site. To log into the site, use the fields in the upper right. The upper field is for the ID, and the lower field is for the password. Please enter the ID and password we provided, and then log in. After logging in, you will see My Page on the right side. When you enter My Page, you will see various menus on the left side. You will enter information from these menus. Basically, to upload information to the business meeting site, you need to enter the basic information, basic settings, and technology product information shown around the center of the left side menu. By doing this, the information will be uploaded to the business meeting site. Basic information is where basic company information such as your company name is entered. Please add, update, or revise the information here. After entering all the information, please update it. And press the button that says Register with this information. Please make sure to continue the process until the screen saying Registration has been completed appears. Next is Basic Settings. Here, you can set information such as supported languages and procurement or sales items. This information will be displayed, so please add, remove, or update languages and other items as needed. Next is registration of technology product information. On the actual screen, this means registering products and technologies under the Technology Product Information section. First, please click the section for registering technologies and products. Here, please enter items such as the product title, this part is important. In the second item, it says Exhibition Business Meeting. Please check the box where EMIDAS FAIR 2026 is displayed. If you do not do this, the information will not be posted on the business meeting site. So please remember this important point. You can select various items such as the product material, industry, and lot size. We would also like you to add photos. To post a photo, first register the image in the library, open the library, and select the file from your computer. Select the file in this way. First, register the photo you want to post in the material library. Then choose Select from Registered Images for the image registered in the library. The photos in the library will appear, so if you want to post one, press the click icon. The photo will then appear here. Next, enter the product description. Please also fill in the required fields. Check the content and then register it. This will post the information on the matching site. There is also a page for companies that handle production materials, software, or other services. The screen is similar to the information registration screen explained earlier, so please register in the same way. Please also enter information for procurement projects. On the EMIDAS screen, in the upper left, it says EMIDAS and Event. Please click Event, then Procurement Projects will appear. This is exactly the same as product registration. In product registration, you entered information about your company's products and sales proposals. Some companies may also be working on procurement projects, so please register those in procurement projects. Here, as well as before, click EMIDAS Monozukuri Business Meeting 2026 under the Business Meeting section. Then the product information and photos will be posted on the business meeting site as a procurement project. The process is the same as before. Please enter the information there. This completes the information entry process using the EMIDAS site. Next is the business meeting site. Exhibitors can check what other exhibitors are participating, and they can also request meetings in advance. Many visitors will use this site to look for companies they want to meet when they come to the venue. As supplementary information, the Secretariat has already entered some of the information for all exhibitors, such as basic information based on the exhibition application forms. For companies that have exhibited in the past or are EMIDAS members, some information may have already been added by the companies themselves. Since some information is already entered, you may wonder who entered it. But please understand that the Secretariat entered it based on the exhibition application form. Next is how the information appears on the business meeting matching site. This refers to the technology/product information explained earlier. For solution companies, this may also include production materials or services. If you do not register at least one product, it will not be reflected on the business meeting site. Even if the basic information is complete, you need to register at least one item, including product information or procurement projects, for it to appear here. Please keep this point in mind. This is dummy information, but it will appear in this kind of format. The manual for advanced matching on the business meeting site is also included in the website. User manual, so please follow it when working. The first section, information registration in EMIDAS, overlaps with what I explained earlier, so I will move on. Next is how to use the business meeting matching site, including login and my page. There is a login button on the matching site. If you press it and you're already logged in on EMIDAS, you will automatically be logged in to the business meeting site as well. It says Log Out at the top, which means that you are currently logged in. Next is business card registration. On this business card registration screen, you can select items such as processing categories from the selection screen. Please be sure to enter at least the required fields marked with a red asterisk. The purpose of this is that when a meeting is requested or received in advance, the company name, person's name, email address, and other details from this business card information will be visible to both sides. On the matching site, click View Publish Page. Then you can check the information posted on the business meeting matching site here. If you want to change the content, there is a Change button here. If you press this button, you will be taken to the site where you entered the information earlier. Please make any corrections or additions there. Next is the exhibitor display. This is the currently registered exhibitor information. It says block and list at the top. These are different display formats. As you can see, you can view basic information and what each company makes. You can also narrow the results by search terms or processing categories. So please use these functions to find companies you want to meet. The number of listed companies will continue to increase. If there are companies you want to keep track of, press the clip icon. Their company names will appear in the business meeting candidate list. So please press the clip for any companies you are interested in. Next is how to set up meetings and configure the email address that receives notifications. This is the email reception setting for when a meeting request is received. Information can be entered either from the EMIDAS site or from the business meeting site. If you press Email Reception Settings, you will be taken to EMIDAS. You can start editing from either page. The email reception setting is located in the left side menu in EMIDAS. One person is currently set, and there is also an option to add users. Please add the email addresses of anyone other than yourself who should receive these notifications. To add users, go to Individual Users at the bottom of the left side menu, register other staff members, and their email addresses, and then select them under Additional Individual Users to add them. The method is written in the manual, so please refer to it. Next is setting dates and times when meetings are unavailable. This is used when you may receive meeting requests but want to block certain times during the 3-day event, so that meetings cannot be requested at those times. Please look here. At the moment, all dates and times are checked, which means that all dates and times are available. Please remove the check marks from the dates and times when you do not want to accept meetings. Next is how to request a meeting with an exhibitor. On the exhibitor site, for example, when you find a company you are interested in, click it and then press the red button in the upper left. Then this kind of screen will appear. First, at the top, please click the language your company can support. Then select the time during the 3-day schedule when you would like to have the meeting. As explained earlier, if a time is blocked, it cannot be clicked. Also, please enter information such as an explanation of your company in the comment field. Finally, when you press the application button, an email will automatically be sent to the other company. The company that receives the email will choose either to accept or decline the meeting, and an email with their response will be sent automatically. You can check the current status in a list, including cases where your company requested a meeting and cases where another company requested a meeting with you. You can check this from either the EMIDAS site or the matching site. You can check meetings that have already been confirmed and meetings that are still unapproved. For requests that your company has not yet answered, please respond as quickly as possible. Eventually, you will be able to output each day's schedule as a PDF file. Regarding meeting changes and cancellations, you can view the meeting list as before and cancel meetings on the screen if they have not yet been confirmed. Please press the yellow button here. Then a cancel button will appear. You can cancel the meeting from here. If you want to change or cancel a meeting that has already been confirmed by mutual agreement, please check the company information. You can view the company name, contact person's name, and email address. So please contact the confirmed meeting partner directly. Please coordinate directly with the other party if you want to change the date or cancel the meeting. Then, please inform our secretariat of the result. The Secretariat will complete the change or cancellation procedure. I have now explained meeting requests between exhibitors. Next, regarding meetings with visitors. From here, you can view information on companies or individuals who have registered as visitors. If you want to request a meeting with them, please send a meeting request from here. Then this kind of screen will appear. Please enter the required information and send it. The meeting request from your company will then be sent to the company registered as a visitor. If you send a meeting request to a visitor and the person who registered as a visitor receives it and replies that it is okay, it will be treated as if the visitor has requested a meeting with your company. Therefore, when that happens, please check the meeting list again, approve the meeting request from the visitor, and send the automatic reply. Your company sends a meeting request to a visitor, and in response, the visitor applies for a meeting with your company. You then need to respond once again. That is the process. The process for requesting meetings with visitors is a little complicated, but in any case, everything can be checked in the meeting list. Please check the current status and respond to any unanswered items. That concludes the explanation of how to use the business meeting site. One important note: when a meeting request is made, or when any exchange related to a meeting occurs, an email is automatically sent to the person in charge. In some cases, the contact information on EMIDAS may be outdated and may still show someone who has already left the company, so please be sure to check it. We sincerely appreciate your participation as exhibitors this time. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please contact us at any time. That is all for today. Thank you very much.